Hey there, how's it going? It's tCheck. Once again, we have a pretty fun video for you today. Now, although this one's a little different, you might be able to take away a few DIY hacks that you can use in your cannabis life. Today, we're going to be going over 4 different ways to utilize your leftover cannabis pulp. A common dilemma that always pops up when people make their own infusions is, what do I do with all this leftover cannabis pulp? Most people will throw it away, thinking it's useless, but that leftover pulp is still full of nutritional goodies. What most people don't know is that used cannabis pulp actually has a low concentration of cannabinoids and terpenes. After decarboxylation, the cannabis pulp has little to no taste or smell. However, it remains a great source of fiber, making it a no-brainer to throw into snacks or even meals. Keep in mind though that it is possible to reclaim quite a lot of cannabinoids from leftover canna butter and oil infusions. You can extract the remainder by soaking the used pulp in hot water. After the mixture cools, the oil and the water will separate. Just discard the water and use the rest in your favorite recipes. Speaking of which, let's talk about cannabis tea. It's exactly what you might assume. Cannabis tea is a quick and easy way to reap the therapeutic benefits of cannabis and achieve a relaxed attitude adjustment. You can go ahead and place leftover cannabis pulp in a tea bowl, or pour hot water over it and strain it through a mesh colander. Add your favorite tea bag and you're good to go. Spicing up dips and salsas. Leftover material from infusing butter or cooking oils is a fabulous addition to dips and salsa. You can start by substituting cannabis pulp for some of the cilantro in your pico de gallo or guacamole recipes, or sprinkle it over your salsas. Even try spreading your pulp on toast or a bagel for once. They say don't knock it till you try it. By spreading your cannabis pulp on your favorite butter or jelly, you can get that extra kick you're looking for. And if you want to get fancy, you can make a spread by adding a few tablespoons to butter, cream cheese, or avocado. Plant food. If you decide to throw away your cannabis pulp, consider putting it in the compost. However, it's important to note that composting works better for vegetable oil infusions. Leftover pulp from canna butter may attract animals. Never throw your leftover pulp in the garbage disposal, as it may clog, leaving you with a costly repair. Although we've only covered 4 ways to utilize your leftover cannabis pulp, there are a few more that we'd like for you to know. If you don't want to miss part 2, make sure you subscribe. Now that's it for today. If you hope to make some recipes, we promise you'll have some fun. tCheck. Potency perfected.